Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we're going to take a look at the phrasal verb hang out. Let me review first what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is when you take a verb and usually a preposition, bring them together and create a whole new meaning that has nothing to do with either one of the words. Well, almost nothing to do with the words. Let's take a look at the word hang. Hang means to suspend. You know, we're going to hang the picture. We're going to hang it in the air. And out means the opposite of in. But you put them together and you get a lot of different meanings. So let's begin. Are you ready? Come on! Hang out. To frequent a place. I like to hang out at the coffee shop. Okay. Hang out. To protrude or droop. Oh, his shirt hangs out from his pants. Sticks out. To spend time with people. I like to hang out with my friends. To display outside. We're going to hang out the banner and let people know who we are supporting. Or to put wet clothes on the line. Hang out the clothes on the line so they can dry off. Got it? That's a lot of hang out. Let's review. Hang out to frequent a place. Hang out to protrude or droop. Hang out to spend time with. Hang out to display outside, or hang out to put wet clothes on a line. Why do these two little words, hang out, have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different meanings and definitions? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Oh wait, there's more than one sentence. These sentences, I hope. The owner hangs out a sign with the daily specials at my favorite hangout. My friends love to hang out there after work. What? Did you see the problem? Hang out, when put together, is no longer a phrasal verb. It's a noun. Yeah, a hangout is a noun, but to hangs out is a phrasal verb. So let's do it one more time. The owner hangs out a sign with the daily specials at my favorite hangout. My friends love to hang out there after work. What? Come on, English.